Ooh, these Air Max 90s are looking beautiful, which I didn't think I would say. Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at the Nike Air Max 90 Premium Cargo Khaki Velvet Brown. That's a bit of a tongue twister, but they're worth it. From the look of these Air Max 90s, at first you wouldn't think they're premium, but actually they are a premium Air Max 90, which is really strange. I didn't think they were, because I kind of got a Halloween vibe from them. I don't know whether you got that as well. Let me know down below in the comments. But personally, I think they look sick. The price point for these are £145. I'm super excited about these Air Max 90s. I don't really know how to say it, but I'm excited about them, and I didn't think I was going to be. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this review. Starting with the box, guys, it's just a regular Nike box, and you don't get any extras inside. And the official description is Nike Air Max 90 Premium Cargo Khaki Velvet Brown. Starting with the tongue, you've got Nike and the swoosh in green, and then you've got Air Max in black. It's kind of hard to see that, but you can see it slightly. All across the upper, you've got this lovely, lovely long-haired suede. It feels lovely to hand, and it looks absolutely gorgeous in person. Kind of like a grass effect, I suppose you could say. But yeah, I think that looks absolutely stunning. The swoosh is made of nubuck. The laces are made of soft cotton. They feel lovely to hand. Pops of green, and that beautiful stitching line in bright green looks so cool. It looks really, really nice. Like, all the little details in these Air Max 90s are super dope. You got the shark fin. There's pops with green against that black. It's a really nice contrast, black against there as well. The sock liner and the insole is made of polyester. They feel really, really nice on your feet. That midsole is made of polyurethane, and it feels lovely on feet. It's very durable as well. That black against that cargo green is absolutely stunning. A beautiful contrast Air Max 90. These Air Max 90s definitely give you that premium vibe. 10 out of 10 for materials. So guys, we've been through the box, we've been through the details, but now it's time to get down to the comfort, the sizing, and give them a rating out of 10. When it comes to comfort on these Air Max 90s, the padding is really good, and that's probably because they're a premium Air Max 90. I do like the way they feel on feet. It is like a polyester material on the insole, and I do think that's kind of not the best material, but it doesn't affect the comfort, which is really nice. The padding makes up for it. There's a little bit more cushioning, a bit more of a durable feel on the inside of these Air Max 90s, and that upper material, that long-haired suede, just feels amazing. It's like a really old school suede as well, and I was a bit dubious about getting that, and how the weather is going to affect that, I don't know. I haven't managed to get these out in the rain yet. But overall, I would say for comfort, they're really, really nice on feet. They keep your feet warm as well, which is really, really important to know. But if you do have wide feet, you might sweat a little bit. So I think a few people have said that they're quite cool. Are they a cool Air Max 90? Definitely not. They're 100% a warm Air Max 90, and for the winter, they're perfect because they're going to keep your toes nice and toasty and warm. But those durable materials all over the upper just make them feel lovely on feet. And you know, when you put an Air Max 90 on and you just instantly have comfort, that's what this Air Max 90 is like. For me, that's how they've gone for me. I don't want to say that that's going to happen for everyone, but for me, as soon as I put them on, I felt, yeah, they're good. They're nice. They feel lovely on feet, man. It got me excited about them, because if you put an Air Max 90 on and the comfort isn't there, it puts you off a little bit, personally. But for these, on feet, they feel so good, man. And for a premium Air Max 90, they should feel like that. So for comfort, guys, I'm giving these bad boys a 10 out of 10. Now it's time to get down to the sizing and fit. If I were you guys, I would go true to size. Personally, I put these on, relaced them, not put any tension on the laces, just loosened them slightly, and they're a perfect fit. They do have that little extra wiggle room on the toes. That's the perfect fit for me, man. The padding feels nice, and I've got a lot of wiggle room. So I would say go true to size, even if you do have wide feet. So guys, whoa. We'll try that again. So guys, it's time to get down to the rating. These Air Max 90 Premiums are absolute fire. In my opinion, they're super sick. I love the colour scheme. I love the like little dots of light green and dark green. The way they look, they kind of give me like, I would say Halloween vibes, but on the other side of the scale, I would say army vibes. Like, they're sort of a camo type of colour. The pop of that bright green all over the upper, and then against that dark cargo green, it looks sick, man. It's like blowing my mind a little bit. But when I first saw these on like pictures, I was like, yo, they're a bit ugly. So they're kind of like Marmite from your first vision. If you haven't picked them up and you're just seeing them on screen, see if you can go and check them out in the store, because I think you'll be surprised at how beautiful these actually are. They look really cool. Dope for Halloween. Dope for like an autumn time Air Max 90. Maybe this might be my number one for next year for my top 10 list. I love the heel plate on these. I love the way that green pops. The durability on these Air Max 90s is super important to know. They're so durable. That upper just flops about on your foot, so they're not hard or stiff when you first put them on. A super wearable Air Max 90. A super dope looking Air Max 90 with that premium touch. I love it when Nike get it right, man, because they just feel so great on feet. So good on feet. Guys, if you haven't guessed already, I'm giving these my overall rating a 10 out of 10. An absolute banging Air Max 90 to close out the Halloween season. They got the Halloween vibe and they got that sort of army vibe as well. Let me know what you're thinking down below in the comments. An absolute banger Air Max 90 in my opinion. If you haven't picked these Air Max 90s up and you love that premium touch on Air Max 90s, these are a must cop. Trust me, the durability, the way they move about, the way they feel on feet, and the way they look on feet as well, they just slap. These absolutely slap. I can't really say much more than that, guys. A beautiful, stunning looking Air Max 90. So guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. 10 out of 10 from me. An absolute banger of an Air Max 90. So guys, let me know down below in the comment section, what did you think of these Air Max 90s? Do you like them? Do you dislike them? Do you think they're ugly? Or do you think they're stunning like I do? Let me know if you pick them up down below in the comments. I'll be really interested to hear your thoughts on these ones specifically, because when I first looked at them, I didn't like them. It wasn't until I actually got them in hand that I started to think, wow, these are sick. These are really, really cool. But yeah, it's weird how opinions and the way you see things change your... How do I say it? It's really weird how things change your opinion when you actually see them physically in front of you. What's that saying? Never judge a book by its cover. That's kind of what I did with these. But actually, it turned out that they're really cool. So thank you for making me buy these. I really, really appreciate you guys. Appreciate all your support. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next review. Peace.